Hey YouTube, JR here. I wanted to show you my new little cannon that I made. I like my big black powder cannon, but decided I wanted to make something a little smaller. This one has two adjustable screws on either side. So you can pivot it up and down. You can also dismantle this, show you the construction of it. This was just a solid piece of steel bar that I found in the scrap pile at my local steel yard and bought it for I think $1.50. And what I did is I came home and I put it in my vise, used a center punch to mark out the center, and then actually just drilled it out. It's not perfectly centered, but it's just I just drilled it out by hand and used I think it's a 5/8 bore. And then when I was done with that, I constructed a frame out of just some plate steel, 1/4-inch plate for these sides, I think 1/8-inch plate for the bottom, and I just lined those up with some nuts that I welded onto the side of that cannon there. I just welded them on there with my MIG and cleaned them up a little bit, and then I wire brushed everything and kind of cleaned it up, made it look a little polished, and then it goes right in there, and then you can aim it. This goes down to about right there, so there's about a 1/2 inch of material on the bottom that's solid still. And then I just intercepted it with a fuse hole there, so I can put my cannon fuse in there, pack it with a charge of black powder, and the funny thing is that it fits a marble perfectly in that bore with a little bit of wadding. So, or a patch, I guess. So pack in the black powder, put a patch of some fabric or material on there, put a marble, and then you can seat it down in there and pack it down, tamp it down real good, and then kind of aim it where you want it to go, light the fuse, and you're in business. Anyways, we're going to take this out to the desert and try it out a couple times, and we'll see how it works.